Hey, what's up everybody? This is ALejo, and today we are going to study 3 different ways of using can. I can speak English. That is the first one and most common use of can. And express ability. I can play the guitar, but I can't sing. Now let's learn about other uses of can. Hey Alejo, can I open the window? No, it's too cold. Okay, in this particular case, we are talking about asking for permission. Can I ask you a question? Of course you can. Thank you. Number 3. Learning a new language can be a little bit challenging. In this particular example, we are talking about the use of can as possibility. Hey, remember to buy me a hamburger, okay? I can be hungry later. Okay, I will. Thanks. That means that maybe later at night I can be a little bit hungry, or maybe I won't be hungry. So there you have it. 3 uses of can: ability, permission, and possibility. Now let me give you some other examples. Alright my friends, I hope this is clear for you. Remember, if you have any questions, you can write them down on the comment section and I will be answering them, alright? I'll see you later my friends.